Kaskul Jawa Nova Daya Vidalaya JNV Badan Hak Shillong Mukhla West Gentle District kadai kawai na pedeng ki arpu artili ki school hapo ka jala Meghalaya balayo ching thu nak sarkar pedeng ban long kum kan nonglam khmat halor ban pyntreikam ya kan National Education Policy arja arpau bat kani ka JNV Mukhla kan lam khmat ya ka West Gentle District kabodon ya laitili ki block kan thup ka lasken thalasken bat amlarem block kani ka school kloyo ru ya ka jingkersian pisa leng ba ka skim Pradhan Mantri School for Rising India na ka banta ban pinbit pinbiang ya ki jinon kam kat kum ka jingkwa kani ka policy Kenang baki school hapo West Gentia kin la ban yo jingrap ni jinghikai na ka National Education Policy namar baka thong jongkahi ka long ban kentiu ya ka jingnang jing start baslon sar ha ki pai ba nong song snong jongkari India Habai keren bot principal ka school JNV Mukhla UN Kumar henne kasi kabadeiru kasi bakikan mau burom ya ka jingdap license pura kan ni ka polisi ulai tho bakom ka school JNV ka bla pyntreikam ya kan ni ka polisi usyam bakayarap bat penkemen bhai ki khna school kumju ki mi pa namar baki khna ki poisisa sakathong baki angnon nang taw lo ong bakani ka school ka dei kan nonglam khman ban pyntreikam ya ka NEP ha West Gentle Hills ulai tho baki don bai ka jinge jan bar udupti commissioner ka West Gentle District namar udeu chairman jongki kumju ka district school education officer but yathu haki ya ka ei ka bakilale bat ka ban sale sakman
difficulties in implementing NEP 2020 to a student is concerned. I should say that students are enjoying it because yesterday we had a program in our school on creativity based learning, teaching learning. You see, right from class 6 to 12 all students participated very nicely and freely, and they have given very good ideas in terms of research, in terms of project. So sir, as per my opinion and being head of this school, I find that students are not facing any difficulty while going through this change from earlier policy to this national education policy, because it is very much learner centered, student centered. So students are not finding any difficulty, they are enjoying it, they want it really, because students are so much stressed nowadays. As far as the parents are concerned, everybody, each and every parent want that his child or her child should be a doctor or engineer, but NEP says that the capability or the potential of the student has to be identified at earlier stage, and accordingly the aim of the student should be fixed, and accordingly the student can do better in not only in this medical field or engineering field, other all fields are also there, so they are making their future bright. They are this NEP 2020 making each and every student skillful. So if a student is skillful and well developed in terms of skills, he will be a job creator. Then students now not in a tension that after passing graduation or after passing post graduation he or she will have any job or not. This is not the tension of the student now, because this NEP 2020 is giving everything. Skill development is there, a student can create a job. So this NEP 2020 students, as per my opinion, students are not facing much difficulties. If any 0.1% difficulty is there, our teachers are doing hard work, they are training, they are giving facilitation to students, and you see the teaching is becoming more interesting nowadays. As per NEP, if activity based learning will be there in the classroom, student will enjoy, sir. So as per my opinion and as per my teacher's opinion, and as far as this whole NEP 2020 is concerned, students are not facing any difficulty, students are enjoying it, sir. Sir, I want to tell you that our chairman is DC, sir, DC of West Gentle District. So we are directly connected to district administration, and we are in regular contact with the DSEO, school education office. We are regularly telling them what we are doing here and what we want to do in future, and as far as the contribution or collaboration with other schools is concerned, we have already made a hubs of learning is there. which is already set by CBSE. In hubs of learning, different group of schools will be attached with our school, and if they are having any less infrastructure in terms of laboratories and other areas, they can send their student to our student, and our teachers are going to other schools also. Our teachers are going to other schools also to tell them how to motivate students for one or the other innovative task or areas. So we are helping other schools also under hubs of learning. So we are exchanging the resources, we are giving them the chance to come here. Our students are also going to visit the nearby schools so as to make aware the facilities available there, because some facilities may be there which are not available here, and some facilities available here may not be there. So under this hubs of learning, we are exchanging our teachers, we are exchanging resources so as to make our students, our whole students, not only the students of Navodaya. Navodaya is a pace setter institute, so we under pace setting scheme also we are going to visit the nearby schools, and our students are going to visit other nearby schools, and they are taking benefit of the infrastructure available there, and their students are coming here to use the facilities available here. Not only in academic but also in other areas, in sports also. Other students from other schools are coming here in our playground and they are playing with our students. So it's a very good we can say initiative under hubs of learning. We can exchange the resources. So in this way we are cooperating with other schools, and other schools are in touch with us. As far as the implementation or awareness of NEP 2020 is concerned, we are having a plan. Actually, we are having JNVST exam this year. The exam will be in the month of November. So, we are sending our teachers to different schools of 3 blocks: Third Lasken and Amlaren. These 3 blocks will be visited by our teachers, and they will give their presentation in the school regarding this NEP also, NEP 2020, what our school is doing and what are the benefits of this NEP 2020 and what is there in the NEP 2020. It will be presented by our teachers in each and every block on rotation basis. So in this way we are trying to increase the awareness, and also we are in touch with district administration. We are requesting, and our honorable chairman BMC is very much supportive. He always ready to implement these type of things because he is very much he is closely. I find that he is very much eager. He is very much interested in implementing good things to the local people. So district administration is also helping a lot. So we are in continuous touch with district administration, and we are giving one or the other kind of presentation regarding NEP 2020 to them also, and we are presenting there also. So in this way we are trying to cover whole district to increase the awareness about NEP 2020, sir. Our teachers from our school, that is Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Mukhla, West Jintia, are having 50 hours continuous professional development course. Every year they have to complete, and under this CPD program they are being given training how to teach students as per NEP, how to make them creative, how to get innovations from students. Our students are also performing well. You see, in our school innovation council is there. School innovation council, under this council students are giving their ideas, they are preparing their project, and we are sending their ideas and project to national level. And many of our students from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalayas have already granted this what should I say this for research. They have sent their ideas and they have been selected for further research. They are being given various scholarships also. So patents are also being given to our students for their innovative ideas, for their research work. So you see, sir, training part is more important, because if teachers are trained, definitely our students will do good. And our Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti is doing lots of in the field of the training of teachers. Every year, each and every teacher has to complete one or the other kind of pedagogical training and other trainings required as per NEP, sir. Definitely, we have achieved a milestone. Our students have been selected for MBBS and other engineering courses. We are providing the quality education in terms of the development of competencies. We are identifying the competencies of our students, and accordingly we are doing for the fulfillment of the aim or target which is already set by a student. So students are happy and also parents are happy, because students are getting their choices fulfilled here, and they are going to fulfill their aim. So as far as the implementation of NEP 2020 is concerned in our school has achieved a milestone, and our students have went for various courses. Free of cost coaching we are providing in terms of Dachna. Dachna is a setup which is providing free of cost coaching for our students, and through this commercialization is getting reduced, because a poor background student is also getting qualitative education. So it is an example for other state schools also. If they will come with us, definitely their students will also grow like our students.